The exit, I can't remember. 22?
Okay. Say welcome. So it's now after church and we're at Papa's house to eat. We're gonna have pizza. I have to go to a baby shower later. What?
Not you.
Not me. Mm-hmm.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you this. Oh, maybe it won't.
Come with you?
No.
Come with me.
Oh, he got made you one just like it.
Oh, that's cool.
You see how you do your hanging basket. See, and it's pretty firm, but that's what he needed help with the torch the other night.
Pretty cool.
But it ought to fit on that whatchamacallit. I didn't have to use a big plate because I run out of little ones right there. It's all right.
Stay in here. Woo, I can't close it. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I know I already welcomed you, but welcome again. So we ate at Papa's house and then a storm, or as my husband says, it came up a cloud. That's what they say here in the South. Like when, you know, a storm just comes on. Of course, Journey. So we were at Papa's house and she heard thunder in the distance and started to freak out and wanted to get home as fast as she could because it was going to storm. Like, oh my goodness. I need to fix this right here. I'm cutting this piece off because I don't want to show. This would be on the waistband and I'm pretty sure it probably wouldn't have been seen. You know what I mean? But because I try to make things look good, I want to cover or not show that. Even though it'll be bunched up, but I just had to make sure the end doesn't come undone. So but I'm gonna finish these ribbon trims. I have a baby shower we're gonna go to. I also need to show you guys what I made for the baby. So it technically would be like Sterling's cousin. It's his cousin's child. It would basically be like what Alyssa is. So Alyssa is Sterling's cousin. Alyssa, Julie's mom, is my husband's cousin. So when you hear me talk about Julie, my friend Julie, that is my husband's cousin. And then her daughter is Alyssa, which is always with hanging around with Sterling. And then Julie has a brother, so it's her brother's daughter, and she's having a baby. So that's the baby shower I'm going to go to, and she's actually due, I think, 2 weeks before Cora. So I think she's due somewhere in the middle of September, and Cora's due right at the end on September 30th. So I'm gonna work here. My husband had to run to the store. I was gonna do a pork loin for Sunday dinner, and I got home to put it in the crock pot and realized I didn't have any chicken broth, which is insane because I was just telling Dani, because I was like, when she made the bean soup, she was like, do you have any bouillon cubes? I was like, no, but I was like, I got some beef broth. I was like, I always have, you know, beef or chicken broth or, you know, cream of mushroom soup. I usually try to keep the broths, both beef and chicken broth. Like, I keep a container of each, and usually multiple. Usually I have, you know, a couple of each. And then I try to also keep cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. So I just try to keep at least a couple cans of those soups. I try to keep a packet of Lipton onion soup mix. At least I stock up on that usually. And then, you know, and ranch seasoning and taco seasoning, and I just try to keep, you know, kind of those things. So if there is such a recipe I come across, I'm like, oh, I have everything, but I need chicken broth, or I need cream of chicken soup, or cream of mushroom soup, or, you know, that way I always have it. But I don't have a single thing of broth, and the recipe technically calls for wine, but we don't. My son Nathan always cooks with wine, but I never. So this is the blanket that we bought at Burlington. So I just put his name on it. You're picking some beetle butterflies.
Yeah, look. Here they are. They're beetles. But they're nice. You can hold them.
Can we hold them? Are you going to come and eat?
That's all right. Oh, wait.
Ta-da, ta-da.
They all sorts of beetles and bugs that she's picked up from around where the pumpkins come up.
Mm-hmm.
And guess what's growing up there? Avocado. Do I just plug it in, or is there like a, because some of them were sticky back.
I think you plug it in.
Let me ask you something. Did you open these and use them anywhere else?
No.
These are used. You know how I know it's used? Filthy that is on the back of that. This is probably a return unit.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.